Candice Lee from Candice Lee Fired Up, independent epicure consultant, and I just like to talk to you about one of our cookwares that we use a lot. It goes from stove to oven. It has a great shatterproof lid. It has easy handles, and it cooks evenly, and it's our wok. So it is an amazing piece. As you can see, it's not that heavy. It actually is pretty substantial. It will hold like a whole package of our butter chicken or our curry or any of our one pot wonders. If you like making the pad thai, this is perfect for that. If you like to make stir fries like we do, it's amazing as well. And if you're making anything that you want to go from stove to the oven, if you want to like heat something up afterwards or keep it warm, it will work great. So yeah, it's a pretty awesome piece. It's easy to clean. It is non-stick, non-scratching, all that kind of stuff on the inside. Sorry, not technical, but you know what I mean. Basically, it's just a great everyday use product. So if you have any questions about a wok, or if you want to make something, know what to make in the wok, I can help you with recipes and ideas. So give me a shout. It's Candice Lee from Candice Lee Fired Up. Thanks.